and often losing the brightness of their eyes, and they often lose the brightness, अपनी आंखों की रोशनी भी खो देते हैं of their eyes. Mukesh's eyes beam as he volunteers to take me home. And when Mukesh eye beams, beam means it shows shining, उनकी आंखों में चमक दिखाई दी, as he agreed to take me to home, जैसे वो उसको राइटर को होम ले जाने के लिए, when he was ready, जब वो तैयार हो गया था, which he proudly says, and very confident, full of proud, he says that he is being rebuilt, his house is being rebuilt, कि उसका घर दोबारा बना रहा है. It means that rebuilding of house is impossible for the people or for the family who are engaged in bangle making. Who are engaged, it means they live in a utter poverty. बहुत ज्यादा गरीबी में रहते हैं. And when Mukesh says that he is ready to take the author to home because their house is being built, क्योंकि उनका घर बन रहा है, it means he feels very proud. उसके ऊपर काफी उसने proud महसूस किया. And we walked down the stinking lanes, and we walked down. They started walking in the stinking, smelling lanes. Lane means streets. उन गलियों में choked with the garbage, जो garbage से भरी हुई थी. Passed home, और अपने घर को पास करते हुए, that remains novels with the crumbling walls. और उसके जो घर से निकल remain novels in the crumbling walls, जो उसकी crumbling very weak walls, जो wall थी, ऐसे घर मतलब उसको दिखाई दिए थे. And the wobbly doors and very weak, मतलब doors दरवाजे, no windows, वहाँ पर कोई window नहीं थी, मतलब that was the structure part of the house. इस तरह के structure थी वहाँ पर. And the garbage, or with garbage, full of garbage, and the crowded with the families of human, means there are small space but many human beings, they live together. बहुत से लोग एक ही जगह में इकट्ठे रहते हैं. And the animal coexisting in a perennial, और उनके living animals also, they coexisting side by side, they also live in that area, उनके साथ ही रहते हैं in that state. He steps at the door, उसने दरवाजे पर step किया. He forwarded towards the door of one such house, ऐसे घर के एक दरवाजे पर वो गया. Means that is the normal condition of the family in the Firozabad, those who are engaged in bangle making, जो bangle making में लगे हुए हैं, that was the normal condition of the family. Means there is no proper light, there is no sanitation, walls are weak, the windows are not there, doors are very weak, door भी बहुत ही कमजोर होते हैं, and all these things. That's why this is the normal condition of all the houses of the family, those who are joined, those who are engaged in the bangle making में जो engaged हुए. And now we enter a half built shack, हम एक आधे बने हुए मकान में गए. In one part of it, thatched with the dead grass, thatched kept, that means kept, it was a dead grass, सूखा घास रखा हुआ था. And is a firewood stove over which, और एक वहाँ पर firewood stove था, आग जलाने का स्टोव था. And sits a large vessel of sizzling spinach leaf, और वहाँ पर जैसे spinach and all पालक जो वहाँ पर उबलने के लिए रखी हुई थी, on the fire with a large vessel, एक बड़े से बर्तन में. And on the ground in the large aluminium platters, और aluminium की प्लेट में ground पे, are the more chopped vegetable, काफी काटी हुई vegetables रखी हुई थी. A frail young woman, frail means very weak, rather you can say, because of the hard working, because of the no proper food, or you can say malnutrition and all. And young woman is cooking the evening meal, evening का खाना बना रही थी for the whole family, पूरे परिवार के लिए. और woman in frail, rather you can say very frail young woman, एक frail फटे पुराने कपड़ों में, and very weak looking, rather you can say, she was preparing food for the entire family, पूरे परिवार के लिए वो खाना बना रही थी. Through eyes filled with the smoke, she smiled, and her eyes were filled with the smoke, उसकी आंखों में धुआं लगा हुआ था. She smiled, मुस्कुराई. She is the wife of Mukesh's elder brother, वो मुकेश के elder brother की wife थी. Mukesh elder brother, not much older in years, वो ज्यादा older नहीं था, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं था. And she has begun to command respect as the bahu, लेकिन उसने respect लेना शुरू कर दिया था, कमांड रेस्पेक्ट एज ए बहू, मतलब शी स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग लाइक ए बहू, द डॉटर इन लॉ ऑफ द हाउस, जो घर की डॉटर इन लॉ होती है। ऑलरेडी इन द चेंज ऑफ charge of 3 men, or charge means responsibility, she was having the responsibility of 3 men, her husband, उसके husband मुकेश and their father, और उसके father के साथ her husband मुकेश and their father, and when the elder man enters, और जब भी कोई elder man, जब भी कोई बड़ा बुजुर्ग enter करता है घर में, and the she gently withdraws behind the broken walls, वो अपने आप को withdraws, वहां पर चले जाते हैं, छिप जाना जैसे कहते हैं, behind the broken walls, और broken wall, टूटी हुई दीवारों के पीछे छिप जाती थी, and the brings her veil closer to her face, और अपने फेस पर एक वेल कवर पर्दा डाल लेती थी। एज ए कस्टम ऑफ डिमांड्स, जैसे भी एक कस्टम ऑफ डिमांड्स मतलब एक रिवाज था, उसकी जरूरत थी, डॉटर इन लॉ मस्ट वेल देयर फेसेस बिफोर मेल एल्डर्स, जो मेल एल्डर्स होते हैं उनके सामने उनका जो चेहरा है दैट मस्ट बी कवर्ड, वो कवर होना चाहिए, दैट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द कस्टम एंड ट्रेडिशन, जो ट्रेडिशन है। इन दिस केस, और इस केस में द एल्डर इज एन इम्प्रोविस्ड बैंगल मेकर, और जो एल्डर कौन थे, they are very impoverished means in a very poor critical state, bangle makers, despite long years of hard labor, and they have worked very hard for many years long, the first as a tailor, and first as a tailor, उसने पहले टेलर के रूप में काम किया, and then a bangle maker, और तब वो bangle maker he started the profession, or he opted the profession of bangle maker, and he has failed to renovate a house and send his 2 sons to the school, but still after changing the profession also, उसने अपना प्रोफेशन चेंज करने के बाद भी he was unable to renovate the house, अपने घर को वो सुधार नहीं सका था, and secondly he also could not send his son to the school, और वो अपने बेटों को स्कूल में भी नहीं भेज पा था। Means that was the financial condition of the families or the people working in the Firozabad, and all he has managed to do is to teach them what he knows. Only he was able to do what he was able to do. Only he had taught them what he knew. जो वो जानता था केवल वही सिखा दिया। What did he know? क्या जानता था? He knew only bangle making, and the art of making bangle. केवल वो art थी जो bangle making थी। It is the karma, his destiny, karma, you can say, it's the Roman words. Sometimes we produce the same sound with the help of English words. It is his karma, ये उसके कर्म की बात है, destiny, says Mukesh grandmother. मुकेश की grandmother कहती है, it is the matter of destiny, भाग्य की बात है. Who has watched her own husband go blind, जिसने अपने husband को अंधा होते हुए देखा था, with the dust from polishing the glass of bangles, और उस dust से which just it is being created by the polishing of the bangles, जो bangle polish करने से जो dust आती थी, that and he went blind, वो बिल्कुल अंधा हो गया था। Can a God given lineage over be broken, क्या भगवान ने जो हमें काम दिया है it can be changed, क्या change किया जा सकता, broken, she implies, वो कहती है। Born in the caste of bangle maker means according to them it is the caste community of bangle maker, and they have seen nothing but bangles in the house, उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं देखा है except bangles, everywhere in the house bangles, and the sunny gold, these are the different colors, paddy green, paddy की तरह, royal blue, pink, purple, every color born out of the 7 colors of the rainbow. Rainbow के जैसे 7 colors होते हैं, like this there were different bangles, different colors of bangles can be seen in the house, and everywhere in the house there were bangles only, वहाँ पर केवल bangles ही थी, and rainbow lie in the mounds in unkept yard, और unkept yard मतलब not properly, mound in heap, ढेर में पड़ी हुई थी, yard में, are piled on 4-wheeled hand cart, और hand cart पर the cart गाड़ी which is driven by hands, जो हाथ से चलाई जाती है, pushed by young men, जो young men होते हैं उनसे push वो ले जाते हैं, along the narrow lanes of the shanty town, all these narrow lane, because there is no much space. Actually, there is transportation and all streets are not wide enough for the other vehicle or the transport to move. So they have to carry with this one for wheeler hand carts and all. They have to carry all the bangles with the help of hand carts. Hand carts से ही ले जाते हैं, हाथ से चलाने वाली गाड़ी से. And in dark hutment, जो डार्क हटमेंट गलियों में जहाँ पर डार्क है, there is no proper arrangement of lights, वहाँ का अरेंजमेंट नहीं है. And the next to lines of flames of the flickering oil lamps, and next to the lines of flames, और उसके बाद वहाँ पर क्या देखा जा सकता है, फ्लेम्स देखी जाती थी किसकी, और फ्लिकरिंग ऑयल लैंप्स, जो ऑयल लैंप जलते थे. सिट ऑयल लैंप्स सिट बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स विद देयर फादर एंड मदर्स, जहाँ पर बच्चे फादर एंड मदर के पास में बैठे रहते थे, बॉयज और गर्ल्स दोनों बैठे रहते थे. वेल्डिंग पीसीज ऑफ कलर्ड ग्लास, जो कलर्ड ग्लास को पीस को वेल्ड करते रहते थे. इनटू द सर्कल ऑफ द बैंगल्स, बैंगल के सर्कल में मींस राउंड दे यूज्ड टू पुट द different colors. And their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside. उनकी आंखें they are more adjusted, more accustomed, आदी होना to the dark, dark की ज्यादा आदी हो गई थी than to the light, light की बजाय. And that's why they often end up losing their eyesight before they become adult. और इसीलिए कभी कभी उनकी आंखें and they are having a eyes problem, उनकी आंखों के जो आई साइट है, it become very weak before they become adult. बड़े होने से पहले ही उनकी आंखों की रोशनी बहुत कमजोर हो जाती है, उनकी रोशनी कमजोर हो जाती है. How many participants? 26. Now next, Savita, a young girl in a drab pink dress. एक सविता जो young girl थी in a drab pink dress. Drab that is color of some badam color and all. Dress sit alongside an elderly woman. एक elderly woman के साथ बैठी हुई थी. Soldering pieces of glass, और वहाँ पर solder कर रही थी pieces of glass के जो थे. As her hand moves mechanically like the tongs of a machine की तरह her hands were moving. उनके जो tongs होते हैं having a two strands, दो उसमें tongs होते हैं, that is moving like a mechanical. I wonder if she knows the sanctity of the bangle, because she was a girl and she did not know the sanctity of bangle. इन चूड़ियों की जो sanctity है, पवित्रता है, उसके बारे में वो शायद नहीं जानती होगी, but still she was doing with the full intention, full dedication, or full concentration. She helps me, लेकिन वो उनको बनाने में मदद करती थी. It symbolizes an Indian woman's सुहाग, symbolizes a symbol of, ये इंडियन वुमेन का एक सुहाग का सिंबल है. Auspicious in marriage, और मैरिज के टाइम में it is very auspicious, very holiness का, पवित्रता जो मानी जाती. It will dawn on her suddenly one day, और एक दिन it will dawn on her, उसके ऊपर भी एक दिन, मतलब ये पहनेगी, और suddenly one day when her head is wrapped with a red veil, जब उसके हेड पे रेड वेल में जो लाल कपड़ा होता है, that is at the time of marriage which is being put on, जो पहना जाता है शादी के टाइम में. It means the author is telling one day she will also be in the same dress, वो भी उसी ड्रेस में होगी, and she will put on the bangles, वो बैंगल्स पहनेगी. And her hands dyed red, उसके हैंड में red with henna, मेहंदी के साथ उसको हैंड लगाई जाएगी मेहंदी. And red bangle rolled into her wrist, और उसकी रिस्ट में रेड बैंगल्स होंगी. And she will then become a bride when at the time of marriage, दुल्हन बन जाएगी. Like the old woman beside her, जो by the side the old woman was sitting, जो वहाँ पर बैठी हुई थी, beside her, वहाँ पर बैठी हुई थी, beside her, who became one many year ago, जो एक बन गई थी many years ago. It means when many years ago when she got married, जब उसकी शादी हुई. And she still has the bangles on her wrist, अभी भी उसके हाथ में wrist में bangles हैं, but no light in her eyes, लेकिन उसकी आंखों में light नहीं है. एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया. This is actually Roman word, Roman language we can say, when we are using English word to produce Hindi sound. जो हिंदी की साउंड प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए when we are using all this. एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया, मीन्स वी हैव नॉट टेकन एनीथिंग आउटसाइड, एक बार भी नहीं खाया पेट भर. शी सेज इन ए वॉइस ड्रेन्ड ऑफ जॉय विदाउट एनी जॉय, शी सेज दिस वन, वो इस तरह से कहती विदाउट एनी जॉय, कोई खुशी नहीं थी उसको. एंड शी हैज नॉट येट एंजॉयड इवन वन फुल मील इन हर एंटायर लाइफ टाइम. उसने एक बार भी अपनी जिंदगी में अपनी मर्जी का, अपने मनपसंद का खाना कभी नहीं खाया, एंजॉय नहीं किया था. And that's what she has reaped. Matlab, that was the result of her hard work. Whatever fruit she got because of this, her hard work. उसके जो hard work था, यही उसका काम था. और husband, जो उसके husband थे, an old man with the flowing beard says, old man, जो एक बहुत ही old था, flowing beard, moving beard, says कहता है, I know nothing except Bengals. Means मुझे बेंगल के सिवाय कुछ भी पता नहीं है. All I have done is make a house for the family to live in, and all I have done, मैंने केवल एक ही काम किया है, is make a house for the family to live in. Family के लिए मैंने अपना घर बनाया है. Little has and he has hearing him, उसको सुनते हुए, and one wonders means one surprises, कोई surprise हो जाता है. If he has achieved what many have failed in their lifetime, it means at least he has achieved, at least he was able to make his own house, whereas many people who are engaged in bangle making could not make their own house. वो अपने घर own house और house for their family, अपने परिवार के लिए शायद वो घर भी नहीं बना सके. And he has a roof over his head, उसके head के ऊपर roof है. And the cry of not having money to do anything except carry on the business of making, and the cry of not having money, मतलब इसके लिए रोना कि not having any money to do anything except carry on the business of bangle making, केवल bangle making का business करते रहना. Means he was there was no extra money, और कोई पैसा और कोई कमाई नहीं थी. Not even enough to eat, उनको खाने के लिए भी sufficient नहीं था. Rings in every home, means this cry, this type of sound, it comes from every home. हर घर से यही एक आवाज आती है that they are not having sufficient money, just they are pulling on the business, and even they don't know, they don't have the money for their sufficient food. अपने खाने के लिए भी उनके पास पैसा नहीं था. And the young man echo the lament of their elders, and the young man, and this young man echoes, reproduce the same voice sound, जो कहते हैं the lament of their elder, lament, feeling sorry, reproach of their elders, अपने पूर्वजों पर पछतावा महसूस करते हैं. Little has moved with time. Little, again this word has come many times actually. Little, a little, and the little. Little means here negative. Little means negative, and a little, a small in quantity, and the little, small but whole, small but whole. It means little has moved with time. It means nothing has changed with time. Time के साथ कुछ भी नहीं change किया है. It seems ऐसा it appears, ऐसा लगता है. In Firozabad, it means in Firozabad nothing has changed in time with time. Time के साथ कुछ भी नहीं change किया है. Years of mind numbing toil, and years of mind numbing, very hard work where the mind stops working, जहाँ पर mind काम करना बंद कर देता. Toil, hard work have killed all initiative and ability to dream. हमारे सारे initiative, जितने भी initiative का मतलब whatever efforts we are doing, everything, ability to dream, everything has been killed. Means we can't dream even in this condition. इस condition में हम dream भी नहीं कर सकते. All the dreams are being killed because of our utter poverty in this profession. इस profession में जो poverty, actually reasons we will study whatever the reasons and all, because they are working hard, they are supposed to get the benefit of, they're supposed to reap the fruit of their hard work. जो उनका hard work है, उनका फल तो उनको मिलना चाहिए, but it is not in that case. And why not organize volunteers in a cooperative? I ask a group of young men. एक young man से मैंने group of young men, means many young men were there, and she asked, उसने कहा, why don't you form a cooperative? Cooperative means actually they become one. They become one. All the Bengals and all, they start exporting it from the one place, and one can manage the orders and supply one can manage. That is cooperating, एक दूसरे के सहायक बनना. Collectively they start doing the business. I ask a group of young men and who have fallen into the vicious circle of the middleman. जो middleman के जो in between those who are gaining, those who are making profit, जो बीच में profit करते हैं, जो उनके उस चक्कर में फंस गया था, who trapped their father and forefather, जो जिसने उसके father और forefather को trap कर लिया था. Actually that is the business. Those who are money lenders and all, they try to give some money at the high rate of interest and then they start buying their bangles at a very cheap, बहुत ही सस्ते रेट में फिर उनको करना शुरू कर देते हैं. That's why they are unable to pay their debt and all. जो भी लोन लेते हैं they are unable to pay because of that. Even if we get organized, उसने कहा अगर हम organized भी हो जाते हैं, if we are together and we are all ones who will be hauled up by the police. केवल हमें ही पुलिस मतलब it will give a trouble, all sort of pains and all, जो भी हमें ही होगा. And beaten, हमें पिटाई भी हो जाएगी and dragged to the jail, और हो सकता हमें ही जेल के पीछे जाते हैं. If we are forming the, it means that type of system is still available there. यहाँ पर अभी भी ऐसा system है. It means the people are not free to do their work. They have to work under the conditions of the according to the will and wish of these people. It means these people, administrator, middleman और money lenders. जो भी ये money lenders हैं, जो पैसे वाले हैं, या पुलिस और administration, उसके हिसाब से it means the administration is also not serious about the condition of these bangle makers. इनके बारे में वो भी ज़्यादा वो नहीं है. And for doing something illegal, means in the false cases and all, they will trap. वो हमें trap कर लेंगे false cases में. They say, वो कहते हैं, and there is no leader among them. उनमें कोई leader नहीं है. No one who could help them see anything differently. No one who can help them see things differently. Means there is no one who can guide them properly, so they can start thinking in different way. अलग तरीके से सोचना शुरू कर दें. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है. There is no one who can lead them, जो उनको lead कर सकता है. Their fathers are as tired as they are, and their fathers, their parents are, they are very tired, and they talk endlessly in the spiral, and they talk endlessly. they बातें करते रहते हैं. Moves from poverty to apathy, और जो poverty गरीबी से means indifferently to greed and to injustice. जो भी greed है, लालच है, because of the role of the middleman and the administration and including the police, and unjust, and whatever injustice is being done to them, whatever injustice is being done to them. Okay, let's find out participant. 24. पूर्वी चलो प्लीज. मेरा कहाँ चला गया? एक
हेलो.
हाँ जी सर, पता नहीं क्या हो गया. ये
क्या हुआ सर?
मेरी पिक्चर नहीं आ रही. देख रहा हूँ मैं.
आपकी नहीं आ रही?
You can stop recording. I'll try to converse with them. I think